Jai Jagannath. Welcome to yet another video of my channel. Today we are going to make a delicate recipe of bitter leaves, and I am sure those belongs to eastern part of India must know these leaves which has health benefits. So let's make the recipe. First of all, we have to pluck all these small leaves from this stem. I'll show in this video how to pluck these leaves easily. Yes, it took little time to clean. If you want some healthy, then you have to spend some time on this, and you can take your family's help also. So I will pluck all these leaves and show you how it looks after cleaning the leaves. So this is the final product. Now we have to cook these leaves. Heat the pan as usual. I am putting mustard oil and put some mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Then add whole red chili. Add chopped garlics and add chopped onions into it and stir fry it till golden brown. Here I am adding some potatoes and brinjals and cut into this type of cubes. Add it and add some salt into it and stir fry till it cook. Open the lid. Yes, the vegetables are almost cooked. Now I am adding one chopped tomatoes into it. Now it's time to add cleaned, washed and chopped bitter leaves into it. I must say, it is so simple to make this recipe with limited items. Just stir it till the leaves cooked well. Thank you for watching this channel.